Guys, today we're gonna make a video about how to make a car. You need black wool, block of redstone, a slime block, a piston, an observer, and a sticky piston. First, you need to have the black wool there, and then the sticky pistons in that direction. And then you need the slime blocks to go upper, and then you do it that way. And then the observer block, the thing needs to be facing upwards like that. And then when you're done doing that, quickly delete that and put the sticky piston there, and then the slime block there, and then put that thing there, and then put more black wool or any black block, and then you need to put a piston facing to the front of the car, and then you can put a tail if you want, and then you're done. That's it. You have a working car in Minecraft. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.